Right, so we're back today. We've got an Alakazam V box. I've not opened one of these before on the channel. It's only got 4 packs in it. I'm not sure what the packs are. I think there's 2 Vivid Voltage at the front, but I'm not sure what behind them. I'm going to crack this open and we'll just get into the opening. Oh, it's your boy Alfie as well. Don't forget, your boy Alfie. Oh, you've really got to fight to get into these boxes sometimes. Right, so that's the code card for anyone wanting the Alakazam V box. They're the packs. So they're giving us a Vivid Voltage, a Sword and Shields pack, a Vivid Voltage, and a Sun and Moon. I think the Sun and Moon's quite a good pack actually, a good set actually. So that's not a bad pack. That's the Alakazam V card. I'll just get the little one out. And that's the Alakazam card. Can work out how they're back together. Right, so I've cleared all my rubbish. Just tidy up around while I'm going on. Spare me a second. Right, so we might as well start off then. We'll go with the Sun and Moon pack and see if we get anything good in that. I don't know what the good pulls are in this set. I don't even know what the card trick is in this pack. So I'll try and have a look. So it's 4 again with this one. Right, so that's the first card. We've got a Water Energy, got a Corsola, got a Repel, got a Pelipper, got a Dratini, got a Diglett Alolan version, got a Boom Sweet, got a Skarmory, which that's quite a nice card. Got a Cutiefly, got a Switch Reverse Energy, and a Parasect. Right, so the next pack, we've got a Sword and Shield pack. The Sword and Shield base set one, or the original one. That's a code card. Right, so we've got a Water Energy, got a Ferrothorn, got a Heatmore, got a Metal Saucer, got a Silicobra, got a Mincino, got a Vulpix, got a Moona, got a Roselia, got a Mushana reverse. I've got a Snorlax as a rare. Always nice to get a Snorlax. What's that set done? Right, so we've got the Vivid Voltage ones now, which we're more interested in. I'm going to save the Pikachu well last and go Zero first. Right, so that's a code card. See if we can get any good pulls out of this set, because the other packs have been terrible. Right, so we've got a Metal Energy, a Zeb Striker, an Excadrill, a Nuzleaf, a Whismur, a Drillbur, a Whalmer, a Cottony, a Clobberpuss, a Metang, and a Shedinja. Is it Shedinja? Shedinja, isn't it? So that's the one out of that. Metang's the best pull so far. Right, and the next one. Right, so let's see if we can get out of this. We haven't got anything so far out of the other 3 packs. I'm not hoping for, I've not got much hope for anything out of this, to be honest. If we do, it'd be good. So I've got Psychic Energy, Go-Goat, Carolis, Stone Energy, got a Mudbray, got a Cottony, got a Slugma, got a Whismur, got an Execute. Oh, nice, got a Zacian, amazing rare, and a Drapion V. Sorry about that, I've got a bit of a dry throat. Right, so they're not bad pulls. It made it a lot better. Right, so if you enjoyed that, like I said, they were the best 2 pulls. If you enjoyed that, just drop a like on the channel and subscribe. And if you've got any comments, just drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.